today I went out, so I went to VCR again, and some stuff that I got at local store. This is the one that I got online. It's Malaysia card, and I actually ordered like several stuffs, but it's from different store. So this one came first, so I had no choice. I can't wait for all of them to arrive. So I have to film this one first because I need this stuff inside here. So I'm gonna film it like next time when the other package arrive. So yeah, because they are from different store, that's why, right? Like they would arrive later or like different time, they don't come together. But yeah, and this part here is the thing that I bought today. Okay, so the first thing I'm just gonna show you here, I got something from Friend. I really like going this place because it's really convenient. I love this local store. Okay, I didn't get many stuff, I just get what I need. So we got this glaze varnish, but it's the matte finish because I really had one that is actually gloss. I did for some clay project, right? I didn't want it to be glossy, so I wanted it to be just matte, but I wanted, have a layer of protection. So this one will work very nice, and this is the gloss one. And then next I got some Polymer Clay. This is the one that I got Sculpey. This is in the color of Ballerina. I got this really pastel pink color and Primo for this translucent color. Last time on my previous video, I already showed that I actually bought some, wait, let me show you. The other clay. Yeah, I bought this one. I bought Primo Sculpey, the brown color. Yeah, I bought this one. So I've decided to get one more Primo, but I wanted this one, the translucent one, and also for this one. Okay. Then I have some acrylic paint. This is the cocoa brown color. This is dark brown and a medium yellow. So actually before this, right, I got my own acrylic color in this huge kind of tube. Oh, there's a hair, oh my god, sorry. Okay, so I got this one. I got it in a long one, and because I need it for like baking effect, so I need to got like this two color. So I've decided not to get a big one. I want a small one. It will be more convenient for me. So yeah, that's it for art frame. So I'm just gonna move the plastic aside first. Maybe I zoom in a little bit so it'll be easier. Okay, so next the place that I went is Daiso. So I just got several stuff from Daiso. First, I got this mold. It's the heart shape mold, so it looks like this, and it's actually like the push one that you can push it out. So I don't really have heart shape mold. I only have one cutter, but it's just one quite a large size. I wanted a small one, so I got this one. So next, it's a silicone mold. I've seen this last time I went to Daiso, it really attracted my attention. So this time I went there again, I've decided to get this one. So this is what it looked like. I got this white glue. They actually function like this one. Yeah, when you add some color to it, it will function like this, because I already had one before to like do some experimental, and it does give out that kind of effect. And last, I got this cream, and it's the pink color one, because I already got the white color one before. I will have mentioned this on my previous video. So yeah, it's almost finished, but it's okay, I just need this one. The quality, I would say, yeah, I mean it's quite fine if you don't use it for a big project, because normally if I really want using it on any of my clay project, I would use the Whipple one that I got from Toys R Us, not the Daiso one. Okay, I'm just gonna move this aside. Okay, so next it's the Malaysia clay art. So this is my scissor. I just got a little bit of stuff. I didn't buy much. I just get what I need. So it's gonna be really simple and short. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I got. I got 2 color of clay and 1 banana polymer clay can. That's it I got. Okay, so it's been a long time since I bought Malaysia clay art. So yeah. Okay, so here is the clay. This is the 2 color that I got, and this is the banana polymer clay. So I'm running out this one, so I don't really use this often, but this one is actually running out, so I just got one. So yeah, that's it I got from Malaysia clay art. Just a little bit of stuff. I really didn't buy much this time because I don't think I'm running out other than this thing. So yeah, I'm not gonna spend any extra money on stuff that I do not need. Okay, so this is everything that I got today. I hope you. So just gonna proceed to the next video that when I receive the other 2 package stuff. So here is the 2 things. So I think the previous clip, I said that I have ordered another 2 stuff. So one of it was the clay that I ordered online. It's hearty clay, but I cancelled the one because it took too long for even the seller to ship out, so I cancelled it. And the other one was actually from China, the store. So it's 2 cookie cutter, and it took way too long than I expect. It will only arrive around June 15th, so I wouldn't film that anymore because I don't think that's really important to film either. So yeah, I'm not gonna film that anymore. So I'm just gonna end with 2 more of my shopping stuff, like shopping haul, because it's not really a haul, but I want to share with you guys what I got for like craft stuff. So I went to one of the my favorite place to go. It's VC Art, so I got 2 stuff. I got 2 clay. The first one I got is hearty. Obviously I got the white one, and it's the 200 gram, so it's actually quite huge. Yeah, I really want to try hearty. No, actually I had tried them before, so yeah. And this one is premium. It's Lado from Particle as well, but this one is actually stone clay. I wanted to do some project with using stone clay, so I got one of this as well. Okay, that's all I got from VC Art. Then moving on from Daiso, I only get like 3 stuff. I really want to restrain myself from buying too much because I have the habit of impulse buying, so I bought a lot of rubbish actually. So Daiso, I only bought 3 stuff, so it kinda works the way how I want to restrain myself or something. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Oyumaru. It's like a oyumaru, but it's not really the same thing as oyumaru, but it works the same, I guess. I haven't tried this type before. It's 3 in 1 packet, because the oyumaru one was actually like long and in a box. So yeah, I want to try this out. This is OUPLA, Play. So yeah, I am running out of this one. And also recently I made mold out of oyumaru. Like this one is a stay waffle mold that I made out of. I already had one tutorial before. It was using silicone. So if you're interested in this tutorial, feel free to comment down below, so I will know that you're interested, then I'll make one video of it. Okay, so the next one is this sweet deco. So it's sugar. I can't really tell, but it says sugar, and this is the type A. Yeah, type A. So apparently if it's type A, then maybe there is other type, I guess. So there's 3 of it in this packet. So I want to try out. I don't have any sugar sprinkle, so this one will work. I will see how it works. And last but not least, what I got from Daiso is a cookie set. It's like a decorating kind of cookie. I really want a small kind of mini Oreo size kind of stuff, so I could make an oyumaru mold out of it. So yeah. Okay, so that's what I got. I hope you guys like it. Bye bye.